Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use fingerprint for app authentication on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and now you want to use fingerprint for your app authentication, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for privacy or security. Here's password and security, just tap on it and then select fingerprint. Here's that, tab on it, and here you just have to enter your phone password, and after that you can see the setting, which is privacy and app encryption. You must have to turn on this setting as I have already enabled it. So after doing this, you can unlock your phone with your fingerprint. So that's how you can easily use fingerprint for app authentication on Vivo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.